Welcome, today in front of me iPhone 14 and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then we should click here to mobile data. Then tap here to SIM pin section. Now our SIM card is locked with the pin code, so click here. Just enter your currently pin code. In my case that's from 1 to 4. Then just tap here to OK. And now if you wanna just remove the SIM pin, you should click once on the switcher and again enter your currently pin code from 1 to 4 in my case. Then just tap here to done and that's it. Now we just successfully remove SIM pin from SIM card on our iPhone device, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.